Anong asahan natin ngayong hapon?
Well, of course, this is obviously in connection with the INC rally at Luneta, Quirino. And ito po ay sabihin na natin the secular side, no, of that rally kasi that is obviously a prayer and religious rally, no.
Yes.
Pero ironically, nandito rin po yung other religious denominations, no. KOJC, JIL, INC.
Hindi, tsaka iba-ibang grupo na rin.
At iba-ibang grupo. In fact, a former military, sir. That's no secret. That's been declared also.
Yes, si UPI are composed of former military officials.
Yes.
And nandito sila yung nagli-lead. Actually, ako din, bagamat in-interview ko si Attorney Jimmy, kasama rin ako dito sa nakikiisa.
Of course.
Attorney Jimmy, anong tingin mo dito sa mga recent na mga developments sa issue nitong graft and corruption?
I'm just as appalled as everyone, no? I mean, ang masakit po dito kasi some of the revelations have been open secrets, no, for a long time.
Yes.
Pero because of the power of slanting ng some media entities, nabiblur yung issues. Pero ngayon po, dahil medyo mabibigat na tao na po yung nagbitaw with their ascendancy, mas pinaniniwalaan tuloy ng tao.
Nung bago yung Saldico, when we were discussing all this, di ba ang umpisa pa lang nun, sabi, mag-focus tayo dun sa corruption issue.
Correct.
Tapos ngayon, parang iba na ang pananaw Kahit ako, and in fact, ikaw, yung mga kasama natin, hindi na basta corruption kundi talagang may pananagutan ang Pangulo ng Pilipinas dito sa nangyari.
Well, you know, it's hard to talk about that without sounding political. But I hope the people will believe me when I say, hindi po political ang atake ko dito. Ang sa akin po, justice po. Justice po sa karaniwang tao na obviously is suffering from the very systemic na corruption.
Organisado.
Yeah, it's within the system. It's not just systematic It's systemic. No? Nasa loob ng mismong budget process.
And itong paglabas si Saldi, ano yung, di ba, bukod sa systemic, ano yung nakita mo?
Hindi, kasi obviously, meron po siyang talagang very internal na knowledge on how it works. Kasi that's the problem in law, di ba? You have to prove evidence Ito po ang ebidensya, no? And how. So I think it is up now to the accused to at least refute it. Total, nasa parang investigation stage pa lang naman tayo, no? Wala pang tayo pinag-uusapan ng mga burden of proof, no? Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, yung level ba ng veracity?
Ako, Attorney Jimmy, medyo personal sa akin yung hindi personal, pero meron akong taya doon sa issue because yung kay Sergeant Orligo Tesa. Then nagulat ako, mismo si Saldi ko nagsasabi na, hindi, totoo yan, ito yung nangyari, ito yung delivery.
This is all personal, Sir Mike, for me, no? I wouldn't be here if this were not personal. This hits home. Halimbawa, nung sinabi po nung isang video, sinabi, Ma'am, we lost everything. Diba? Nakita po nyo yun, yung lumulutang sa Nag-i-English. Nag-i-English. Middle class na po yung tinatamaan. Hindi na po ito yung kala natin dating tinatamaan lang na nasalanta sa bagyo dahil they're in shanties. These are middle class people. Now, sila Orligo Tesa, yung sinabi nila, clear as day. Tapos biglang dinibunk. Pero ito na po, bine-verify na po ni mismong Zaldico. Against his own interest.
Tama.
So I think we should at least investigate it.
Okay, may binanggit ka dito kanina, Attorney Jimmy, dito sa rally na to, meron naging understanding ang UPI
tsaka QCPD.
Okay, so UPI, United People's Initiative, sila General Pokis,
yes, sir.
At saka yung QCPD, Quezon City Police.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ano naging usapan?
Well, basically they had a memorandum of understanding stating that there will be it's a commitment that there will be no inciting to sedition, no seditious remarks.
As a lawyer, anong pananaw mo dyan?
Well, alam mo, ang mga abogado, they're free to make doubly sure that the laws are followed. Pero nandiyan naman po ang revised penal code, so hindi naman kailangan siguro yon. But I suppose,
even without an understanding,
batas yan. Pero I suppose there are also provisions there, I speculate, on ano ba yung aming saklaw na or kanilang saklaw na area. Halimbawa, White Plains ba ang pananagutan namin? Yan, yung mga ganun po.
Okay.
So hindi ko na alam yan, but I suspect.
Okay, kasi may mga iba na, di ba si Congressman Kiko Barsaga na filean ng sedition?
Yes, pati si General Pokis po.
Na-filean?
Na-filean din po siya.
Bakit? Ano ba sinabi ni General Pokis?
It's really about Facebook posts. Now,
Okay.
I've read some of the posts, and again, I am of the opinion that it's not seditious
It's
or
not
it's not
seditious.
inciting.
Yes.
Kasi meron naman pong mga kaso dyan, yung mga espuelas versus people, they define what inciting is, no?
Oo.
Which is yung parang riling up
Oo.
of the people to commit
Yes.
unlawful acts.
Oo.
Parang sabi ko, napaka-innocuous naman itong mga to.
Yes. At saka calling them to commit violence, di ba? Yung mga ganyan.
Opo. But I
pero
don't-
kunyari, yung sinabi, yung resign.
Oo.
Yung ba?
Ay, hindi, yun,
Oo.
hindi talaga. Kasi resign is a voluntary act.
Yes.
Pag sabi ko, Sir Mike, mag-resign ka na sa bilyonaryo.
Oo.
I'm not forcing you.
Tama.
I'm asking you.
Tama.
No, so, wala po yun.
So ito, Atty. Jimmy, balik tayo dito sa preparations. Ano ang oras na magdadatingan na yung mga tao? More or less.
Actually, nandyan na sila, sir. As
Meron na.
if you
Yes.
observed,
Yes.
siyempre, mainit eh.
Mainit.
No? Tsaka
Oo.
isa pa, we've set up late because that's what the permits allow us only. So, medyo
Okay.
mabagal ang setup. Oh.
Okay,
Pero dadating na yan.
Alam ko, ang exact time will be about 3 to 4 o'clock. Ano?
About 4 o'clock, yeah.
So, Atty. Jimmy, take this opportunity, yung ating mga kasama, yung mga nanonood, para imbitahin yung ating mga kababayan.
Mga kababayan, it's very hard for you to believe siguro someone like me. I have been partisan for a long time, but this is not a partisan event. This is open to the public if you want to express your concerns about our government. Tsaka pwede naman po kayo makiisa at tingnan ninyo kung palagay nyo ba walang kwenta to, umuwi po kayo. Pero kung palagay nyo po this is a real open and public discussion about our current affairs, I suggest you join us because I have a feeling that history is being written as of this moment. So you're welcome, whatever color, wala pong problema yan. Pumunta po kayo dito, you will be well taken care of. We are guarded by the good police and the good AFP. So welcome, come here, let's change our government together.
Maraming salamat, Atty. Jimmy Bondoc. Nandito po kami. Ako, hindi lang nag-i-interview, pero nakikisa sa ating mga taong bayan dito sa laban sa korupsyon, yung ating paniniwala na kailangan talaga magbago yung ating bansa. Thank you, Atty. Jimmy. Maraming salamat.
Mabuhay kayo, sir. Sa
Mabuhay po kayo.
bilyonaryo, mabuhay kayo.